Okay, so. And look what happens when I hold my finger on the key. 6. Ah, oh, what does that, eh? Come on.
Teach the youth on the streets today.
Okay, so now you notice something. I haven't named the sample, so let's just name it up here. Snare. And also, if you look in comparison to the rest of the beat, it's kind of loud, so let's turn it down a bit.
Teach the youth on the streets today. 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 Teach the youth on the streets today.
Alright, so
Teach the youth.
Right, now let's do something crazy. So we've got a little effect here. Check out these effects now. Hopefully this will work. So you've got these little 200 effects. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, this is you know, don't tell no one about this. This is what I use for Twisted Mentasm. Right, so shh. Right, check this out. Look, 210, 201 is quite strong pitched, right? And then we want to go. Let's try this. So we want to go. Bring it down. So we're going to try something. So it's going to be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. Random. Let's see what that sounds like.
Teach the youth on the streets today.
Alright. Maybe that was a little bit harsh, right? So let's just bring that down. Get rid of the 10s. Right, so this is a pitch effect I'm trying to do here, right?
Teach the youth on the streets today.
Yeah, and let's do the same with the beat. It might go crazy now. Let's see, this could be crazy. Let's see now. Let's copy that. So we got 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. What we got here?
Teach the youth on the streets today.
Nice. Alright, so now let's write some patterns. Let's put a 10 in there, every other one. Okay, so let's try that.
Teach the youth on the streets today. Teach the youth on the streets today.
Oh, that was a bass line. Easy.
Teach the youth on the streets today. Teach the youth on the streets today. Youth on the streets today.
Alright, I wasn't meant to do that really, to be honest. I thought I was doing that to the Amen. So, no. Okay, we would need a proper cut up Amen to do that actually. So get rid of all that. I didn't really feel that because it didn't really have a good impact as to what I was thinking. So let's just get rid of that. You know, no time for kind of like saving face here. Let's just do it. Yeah, so we got it. Right, bang, bang.
Teach the youth on the streets today.
Alright, so now after we've done that, let's just chuck that there. Let's not prolong too long on it. So now we're going to get rid of this, right? And I'm going to show you a cool trick. There we go, get rid of that. Bang, and we got... Right, so now we want to do something cool. So as you can see, oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So on the tracks here, look, you can see next to it here, that's the instrument number. So if I was trying to figure out what was playing there, I would just use the instrument number. And then I'll go to number 6 up here, using the shift left and right key. And you can see that's the bass, right? So number 5 over on the opposite side would be the Amen. So guys, now we're going to do a little bit of copying. So I'm going to edit sample. and then I am going to highlight the whole thing. Now there's a quicker way of doing this. What is it? Select all. You just need to select all. I am actually worried, scared to do so. Alright, no, be careful. Be careful, B. No, okay. Alright, that wouldn't work. Select all. I'm sure there's a select all here. Alright, I'm just going to highlight it like that. Rago. Right, copy. Copy. Go to a new instrument. And I'm going to go bang, paste. So, buffer to sample. There we go. And what I want is I just want this from the snare onwards. Right, so let's have a look.
Teach to the youth.
Something like that, let's see.
Teach to the youth on the streets today. Teach to the youth on the streets today.
Alright, so.
Teach to the youth on the streets today.
Alright, now tidy that up, get rid of that vocal.
Teach to the youth.
Oh, look what I just did. No wonder. Oh no, I done it the wrong side. Right, okay, cool. Right, so let me just get this bloody... Right, back. Right, paste that track again. I just done a real serious... Boom, okay. Right, so the Amen's on this side, guys. Alright, there we go. Yeah, here you go. Right, there we go, that's what I want. Right, so... Right, get rid of this symbol there. Alright, so now right, nice.
Teach to the youth on the streets today.
Right, we don't want that teach to the youth on the street today. That's done with now. Right, let's get rid of that. Yeah, so. Alright, so now I reckon here now this is kind of empty. Nah, I want to use something else. Right, so let's go instrument. So you get the drift of this, guys, where we're going, right? So now you guys kind of understand how, you know, how I'm kind of laying down these beats and stuff, and you can relate to the workflow videos. I mean, that's what the whole idea of this is. I'm just going to add one more thing to it, just because I'm totally in it right now. I want to find, like, here's a dark sound. What we got here? Interesting. Alright, let's try something crazy, right? So put that in there and put pitch shift on it. Put shift effect on it, like so it would be like, and then from there start pitching it down. There we go. Right, getting some of that, get that little 8-bit grit going on. Right, so we've got some of that, and then let's go find another sound. Let's do that. Right, so